I never imagined meeting Julian again would feel this heavy. It felt like stepping into an old memory. On the first day of senior year, I saw him in the hallway. My heart skipped, and the world tilted under my feet. He stood still and I felt paralyzed, unsure what to say. We were just old friends, but something about him felt broken. That simple elective class should have been ordinary. Instead, it changed everything. My name is Adam Blake, and I chose photography for my senior year elective. In the first class, I saw a familiar face after years apart. We used to be best friends as kids, running through sprinklers under the summer sun. Julian looked smaller and quieter than I remembered. My stomach twisted. Could this really be him? We fell into friendship again like he had never left. He smiled, and I smiled back, happy to have my friend beside me again. We joked at lunch and traded secrets beneath a tree after school. For a moment, everything felt normal. His laughter didn't quite reach his eyes, but something was off. He jumped when someone slammed a locker door. He vanished right after school without saying a word. Once I even saw bruises on his arm when he thought no one was looking. He brushed them off as clumsy accidents, but I wasn't convinced. I couldn't shake the feeling that Julian was hiding something. Every small sign whispered fear. I realized then that he was trapped in a life he couldn't escape. I swore I would help him. He was my friend and he trusted me. I would not let him suffer alone. I felt a fire inside me, anger and fear mixed together. Some secrets are dangerous to even speak out loud, but I couldn't stay silent. He needed me, and I was determined to find a way. Danger was coming, but I wouldn't run away from it. This is just the beginning of our story. The truth is deeper and darker than anything I've hinted at. What comes next will change everything. I won't say more now, but one thing is certain. Things get worse before they get better. For him, I'll risk everything. But some cages aren't easy to open. He needs me now more than ever. Every second counts. If you want to see how far I'll go to save my friend, read A List of Cages by Robin Roe. Click the link and join me on this journey.